Hello friends, this is Sarfaraz welcoming you all in my channel. I'm back again after a long time with another video for you all. So today I'm going to share some piece of information and my experience regarding this plant. As you can see, this is a kind of jasmine variety. It is also called as Mogra plant, as it is identified by its elegant blooms. We usually love these plants for its fragrance, right? So as we all know, there are three basic elements required by plant for its survival, and that is sunlight, water, and soil. So here first we are going to talk about soil requirement for this plant. That is what kind of soil this plant loves to be in. So these plants like to be in a well-drained, moist, and highly fertile soil. This plant loves summer season as it produces its beautiful blooms in this season. So you can fertilize this plant before summers or in summer season with any kind of organic fertilizer, or you can even use chemical fertilizer, but I usually prefer to use organic. Chemical fertilizers like NPK 19-19-19 ratio, DAP, and organic fertilizers like you can use any kind of manure or cow dung, or you can produce your own fertilizer from kitchen wastes. Peel of bananas, eggshells, used tea leaves, and you can get lot of from your kitchen. Even if you are not fertilizing this plant, it will be doing fine, but it's mandatory to fertilize this plant at the months of summer, because this is growing period for this plant and it produces flowers at this season at high rates. So fertilize it at least for once in 15 days, or weekly will be the best. So now come another important element of life, and that is water. We need to water this plant on daily basis in summers. As we all know, temperatures in summers are scorching, so this plant need a moist soil to withstand whole summer. So before watering this plant, check the soil. If it's dry, then water it, and if it is wet or soggy, don't water it for that day, because this plant hates soggy soil. It just need moist soil to be happy. Now we are going to talk about sunlight requirement of this plant. As it is a flowering plant, it likes to be in direct sunlight of at least 8 to 6 hours per day. If you keep this plant in shady areas or under indirect sunlight, it will grow vegetatively, but it will not produce flowers, as we all keep this plant for its fragrant full blooms, isn't it? So keep this plant under direct sunlight. It has been 2 years since I got this plant, and now it has started blooming. When it was young, it was not producing flowers. I noticed that. So if your plant is young, then don't force it by fertilizing it to produce flowers, because it will affect the growth of plant. So this plant is low maintenance plant. It does not require your much attention. So have patience and keep gardening.